Hi, everybody. This is your announcement for Philosophy 101G. Today is September 9th, and we are in week 4 of the semester. So we are just clipping along here. Okay, so we continue our study of Meno by Plato. And so by now you've read a good portion of the text, and I was looking at the discussion that you completed last week, and it all looks pretty good. And so hopefully you have had a chance to think about what knowledge is, and also about learning and how we learn and how you have learned through your education, and you're continuing to learn here. So what we're going to do this week is we're going to continue on. So you completed last week module 2.1 discussion 1, so I will be grading that this week. For this week you will be doing another self-check quiz number 3 that's due on September 11th, and I did grade the first self-check quiz that you did. So go ahead and you can see you probably have already seen your score. And then for this week, you also will be completing a discussion. So it'll be discussion 2 in module 2.1. The final due date on that is Sunday, September 15th. So that means that your first post will need to be there 48 hours ahead of that. One thing about I want to let you know about discussion is that when I grade discussion, I will write comments in the rubric, okay, and I'll also write comments in the comment box. So I hope that you are looking at those comments because they're designed to help you to improve. And so I hope you're not just looking at the number score and then moving on. Please look at the comments that I write for you so that you can know how you can improve. And also, I might pose, another question to you to get you to think a little bit more about the subject that we're talking about in that discussion. Okay, so that's kind of my that I write in the rubrics, in the grading rubrics. Okay, and also make sure you check the rubric before you even start writing your discussion posts. And also, be sure to make references to the sources of your information as well that you write in your post. Okay, that's part of the instructions. All right, so, write according to, Socrates and the Meno, use phrases like that. All right, so very important to acknowledge the sources that you use for your discussion. Okay, so that's where we're at this week. I think it's going to be a little bit shorter announcement this time. So if you have any questions or comments, as usual, please contact me and I will be happy to clarify for you. So, all right, well, keep up the good work and keep thinking about, wondering about knowledge and learning and virtue. Will they find out what virtue is by the end of the dialogue? Stay tuned. Okay, I will talk to you again. Oh, actually, speaking of the ending, let me know what you think of the ending. Okay, maybe that's something you can talk to me about in the comments to this announcement. Yeah, let me know what you think of the ending by making a comment in this announcement, under this announcement, and that is the ending of the dialogue. Okay, so I think it's a very interesting ending if you haven't already got there yet. All right, now I'm going to finish. Okay, have a good week, everyone, and I look forward to seeing your thoughts on the comments and reading your discussions. All right, bye.